Welcome to video tutorial of mekanizmalar. In this video the principal component of opposed piston opposed cylinder engine will be shown. Later in the video these individual component will be superimposed one top another to create an animation of OPOC engine. The OPOC engine is another name widely used for the opposed piston opposed cylinder engine. The body of the OPOC engine shown in here is designed in modular fashion. Rather than casting large engine block, smaller modules can be combined to generate more powerful engine. Two opposed cylinder located in opposed end of the engine. As you can see, the cylinders contain openings for the inlet and exhaust gases. Two pistons with shorter connecting rods are closer to the center of the engine body and always work with push action during the power stroke. Two pistons with longer connecting rods are away from the center of the engine body, and always work with pull action during the power stroke. Note that for this case there are two connecting rods for each piston and they are outside of the cylinders. Connecting rods are connected to the crankshaft of the engine located at the center of the engine body. The inlet manifolds feed turbocharged air into the cylinder. Inlet ports are shown in blue, while the exhaust manifolds are shown in red. Also, the direction of the gas flow is shown with arrows with the same color code. The fuel injected to the cylinders when the two opposed pistons are closer to top dead center. The color code is used inside the cylinders as follows. The blue color indicates fresh inlet air. This color gradually changes to dark red to indicate the compression. Finally, the yellow color indicates ignition and expansion process. Let's superimpose this individual events one top of the other to get complete animation of the OPOC engine. We encourage you to subscribe our channel and give a thumb up to this video. Thank you.